and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today in the kitchen, I'm gonna cook some chicken stock. You know, sometimes you in the middle of cooking something and you get ready to use some chicken stock and you don't have any and you're like, I don't wanna go to the store, especially during these times. You can make your own chicken stock, especially if you've got some chicken. You know, you can use any type of chicken that you have. Right now, I have some chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast, you can use chicken wings. If you have skin on the chicken, that's even better. If you have a little fat on the chicken, that's even more better. So this is boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I'm using, but it has some fat on it, so I'm gonna use these. So let's get to it. I've got about it's 4 chicken thighs, and I am going to add some celery. I've got a cup of celery and some carrots. I'm gonna use a cup of carrots. I'm gonna chop these up a little bit, and some salt. I'm gonna use a tablespoon of salt because I want it to be a little on the salty side. I am going to cut my carrots up just a little. They're already small, but let me go ahead and add my celery. I'm going to cut these just a little, you know, just cut them in half. Make them a little smaller. I only need a cup of these. And 3 cups of water. And I'm going to let that boil. Let me get my water. I'm gonna just not let it boil. I'm gonna let it simmer for a good half hour. I want it to simmer. I want the chicken to be done first of all, and I want all of this to just blend and marry together. That's 2 cups. Three cups. It's just that easy. So I'm gonna let that cook, and then I'll have some chicken stock. It's just that easy. While I'm letting that cook, you know what I need you to do? That's right. Go out, hit that subscribe button, and what that allows you to do is to come on my channel, comment with me, dialogue with me, give me comments on what I've cooked, let me know how the things that you've cooked that I've taught you came out. It allows you to share my videos with your friends. It allows you to automatically get my videos. If you hit that notification bell, you'll automatically get a new video every time it comes out. So you guys hit that button. I'm gonna go ahead and let this simmer on medium for a half hour. We'll come back and we'll have chicken stock. You can put it in the freezer, save it for later. It just comes in handy to have it to make soups. You know, you use chicken stock in so many different things. So it's just that easy. All right, so time is up. Our chicken broth is ready to be strained. Look at this. There we go. So our chicken is done. Our vegetables have cooked. It has simmered. So what I'm gonna do now is strain it. So I've got a pot and a strainer, and I'm just gonna strain that into it. Pour this in here and just let it, let's turn that off. Strain all of that. Now there's so many different things you can do with chicken broth. You could take this right here, put some potatoes in it, and have some soup. You've already got your chicken, your vegetables, just put some potatoes in there and you would have soup. But the purpose of this video was to make chicken broth. So we have our chicken broth. We're gonna let that cool, and we're gonna use it for different things. See how easy that was? So make your chicken broth and use it for so many different things in your kitchen. And I will see you next time in Lavonne's Kitchen. Bye.